In the animal kingdom, toothbrush-like behaviors are more common than you think, and one species takes it to an extraordinary level. Meet the sea cucumber, a marine animal that cleans its teeth by expelling internal sand grains through its tube feet. This bizarre behavior is crucial for the sea cucumber's survival, as it prevents the buildup of sharp sand particles in its digestive system. But what's even more fascinating is that the sea cucumber's toothbrush-like behavior is not an isolated incident. Other animals, such as the octopus and the opossum, also engage in similar behaviors to maintain their oral health. For example, octopuses use their radula, a tongue-like structure with tiny teeth, to scrape and clean their beaks and teeth. In the opossum, the behavior is more complex, as the animal uses its prehensile tongue to remove parasites and debris from its teeth. These behaviors highlight the importance of oral health in the animal kingdom and demonstrate the diversity of ways in which animals maintain their teeth and gums. But why do these animals engage in such specific behaviors? The answer lies in their unique anatomy and the challenges they face in their environments. For instance, the sea cucumber's internal sand grains can be sharp and abrasive, making it essential for the animal to expel them regularly.
Similarly, the octopus's radula is designed for scraping and cleaning, and its beaks and teeth require regular maintenance to prevent damage.
Animals have where developed animals have specialized, evolved unique features to cope with the adaptations to maintain their oral health challenges of their environments. Its prehensile tongue allows it to remove parasites and debris from its teeth, preventing the buildup of plaque and tartar. These behaviors are not just limited to these animals. In the case of the opossum, animals have where developed animals have specialized, evolved unique features to cope with the adaptations to maintain their oral health challenges of their environments.
From the way they eat to the way they breathe, animals have developed specialized features to cope with the challenges of their environments.
But what can we learn from these animals' toothbrush-like behaviors? By studying their adaptations and strategies, we can gain insights into the importance of oral health in the animal kingdom. For instance, the sea cucumber's ability to expel internal sand grains can be applied to human oral health, where regular cleaning and maintenance are crucial to prevent tooth decay and gum disease. Similarly, the octopus's radula can inspire new materials and technologies for cleaning and scraping surfaces, with potential applications in fields such as medicine and engineering. The opossum's prehensile tongue can also provide insights into the design of new oral care tools and technologies, such as toothbrushes and dental floss. By exploring the toothbrush-like behaviors of animals, we can gain a deeper understanding of the complexities of oral health and develop new strategies for maintaining our own teeth and gums. So, the next time you brush your teeth, remember the sea cucumber, the octopus, and the opossum, and appreciate the unique adaptations that these animals have developed to maintain their oral health. And if you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this, and join our journey of discovery into the animal kingdom. Blowing and develop. Innovations that can improve hit our lives, and the subscribe lives of join our community of curious authors, learners.
By exploring the natural world, we can gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us, and develop new ideas and innovations that can improve our lives and the lives of others. So, let's continue to explore and discover the wonders of the animal kingdom, and uncover the secrets that lie within.
In the next video, we'll delve into the fascinating world of animal communication, and explore the incredible ways in which animals convey information and coordinate their behavior. From the songs of birds to the clicks of whales, animal communication is a complex and fascinating field that can reveal insights into the social behavior and evolution of animals. So, stay tuned for more exciting discoveries and insights into the animal kingdom, and remember to subscribe for more updates and behind-the-scenes content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Subscribe for more incredible stories, and join our journey of discovery into the animal kingdom.